In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list products on Shopify. Whether you're launching your first online store or adding new inventory, this step-by-step guide will help you get your products live quickly and easily. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Products. This will open the Product Management section where you can view, edit, and organize all the products in your store. Next, click the Add Product button near the top right corner of the screen. You'll now be taken to the Product Setup page where you can enter all your product information. Start by entering your product title. Make sure the title is clear, descriptive, and easy for customers to understand. Next, add a product description. This is where you can explain the product features, benefits, sizes, materials, or anything else customers should know before purchasing. After that, click Upload New to add product images. High quality images can help attract more buyers, so try to upload clear photos from multiple angles if possible. Next, choose the correct product category to help organize your store and improve product searchability. Now move down to the pricing section and enter your product price. You can also add a compare at price if you want to show discounts or sale pricing to customers. If needed, you can continue filling out additional details like inventory, quantity, shipping information, variants, and product tags. Once everything looks correct, review your product details carefully. Finally, click Save to publish the product to your Shopify store. Your product will now be live and available for customers to view and purchase directly from your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to list products on Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.